Good morning, everyone. It is Hump Day Wednesday. Woo woo! August 25th here in Trading Rebels, and we're taking a look here at our futures. And we've kind of flipped back and forth between green, red, green, red. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's flat. Which is fine, right? We maybe take a few days rest here, running along this 44.90 area where we just hit some highs. Our volume slacked off a bit, so definitely a good time to have a little caution as you move forward in the market. Now, let's hop into some charts that I think are looking pretty good. Solar's starting to try and make a little fight back. Yesterday, we had this pull back in, but I like this look coming back up to try and test these highs. Let me get this line out of here. Sorry about that. That was an old line. I really do like anything above 96.80 on First Solar, if we can get that nice little move. I would also look at Run, TAN, JKS. JKS making this nice move, lots of room up to the 20. So just take a look at a few of those and see if any of those appeal to you. On First Solar, I like the 10, 15, 100s. Coming right back to basic materials, I am in new NUE, but I like the way that AA is also setting up. I like the 10, 15, 42s on this. We've had two gaps pulled back into yesterday's candle. Anything over 42.45 is where I would look for an entry there on AA and some continuation. Mu making a move. I really couldn't make that work, but there's a nice little gap here, and we have plenty of room to the 20. So play here up to the 20 looks like a good area up to that 75 in MU. And I would look at the 10, 15, 170s and the 175s and see which ones are catching that action here this morning. While you're doing that, you can put on your Nikes, get a little exercise, and take a look at Nike. Anything over the 20 here, it is up over the 20 this morning. Like the look in Nike. So we had this nice pullback, right? Big earnings, bullish gap, up, break, and now back up at the 20. Like the way that looks, I'm looking at the 10, 15, 175s. I would also check out UA. Looking pretty good. Nice moving averages all together there. And anything above 21 in UA. And looking at cost again. This has just been a beautiful chart here. And I'm watching for a bounce up off the 8. You can see the last time we hit the 8, we moved back up. Hit the 8, move back up, hit the 8, move back up. So looking for a reversal here in this and for a move up, up to 460. All right, there are a few others that we will go over in the room looking for some reversal plays, but this is a quick list just to get it out and get everybody on their way here this morning. Thanks for being patient with me. We have a new Foster here in the house, and so we took a little bit to get him out the door, get him where he was supposed to be. So this list is very abbreviated and very late. However, some really good plays out there. Be sure to watch your risk. Make sure you know exactly how much you want to risk as the market kind of cools a little bit as we go into tomorrow. The Jackson Hole Symposium will begin. We also have initial claims tomorrow morning, so we'll see how all of that affects the market. All right, I hope you have a fantastic Wednesday.